Makwaba assign the Nimdia News to you. Nimdia News always the best. Subscribe to your channel on our Sabeka all other relevant news about politics and governance in Ghana, whether NPP or NDC on Sa Ebeka. Dear Sem na SCBO, na same one on my entity galamsey asama ne hunus papa akon a wokutia no so doso. Na o man no e person fa no ntuma pa ifra enti no obo no ne nsa no so betima bra galamsey ase na bibia nso etimi ewi pepepe. Na obi e den nsime ba betudwa eye NDC communicator baako. O say arrest NDC members involved in galamsey. One e kasa asem we. Member of the National Democratic Congress communication team Hajia Sadatu Al Hassan has called for the arrest and prosecution of all individuals, including NDC members involved in galamsey. Na Brana Wakasa Wadome from just on Friday, October 11, Sadatu Al Hassan. Aka say NDC and defending member bia waka galamsey ho. Na wasra aban se sankofo no so onche wo. Na o condemn reckless comment regarding galamsey from all political elements within both major political parties. In the fight of galamsey, I condemn every reckless speech from all the political parties, irrespective of whether NPP or NDC. By virtue of galamsey, newly born babies suffer the consequences of deformities. He who comes to equity must come with clean hands. I have told the NPP that they should arrest any NDC member, as they claim that NDC members are the ones involved in the menace, and we will not defend them, she noted. So the government has intensified its efforts in tackling the menace of galamsey by deploying a military task force to address illegal mining and eradicate these activities from water bodies and forest reserves. The military task is collaborating with the Ghana National Association of Small-Scale Miners to arrest and confront illegal miners. This action follows demands from organized labor for a ban on small-scale mining. Anti-way, I am some adjay so edia tuja. Now what you say about we answer the basono. Galamsey say or mine and I assure you mine on. Obanani abre papa intino. Obanani said they will also fight this kind of menace. Eba or my Ghana emono. See been 70 years and subscribe to our channel. NDC News and wasabi to mark all other relevant news. Before that, no young calling kuti in sama or the two jano ebi nearby. Not the will be.
Yeah, or the solutions.
Both solutions.
Yes, yeah. I say our flag bearer, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Or no, or say or no, dear. He's a brave leader, and he's going to take the matters of Ghana as his own personal, your friend is saying, our baye. He is not coming into these elections because of Pesika.
Yeah.
Ghana for Obia be who say, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, yes, he can't no be contested. But from the get-go, no, you say, ye both Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia dia, it comes with solutions. Ye can't say ye be mobile money interoperability, NDC for saying, come be use $1.4 billion US. I know. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia buyer, or the less than 5 million. Less than 5 million, not even billion, to do mobile money interoperability. Ene se wo yare na wo ebia village bia na emergency na wo hia moja. Yes zip line for betumi de moja bre wo honom. Se de be ya wonwu. Na ya bo zip line se sia Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia din ne ebebo. And this is the leader Ghana needs. Ghana needs a leader that can think and bring solutions. Okay. Not just solutions, but bold solutions.
Mate.
And it's a one we say me mata de red one ya. Na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Mate.
Entia. And I'm a share Saturday.
Na yo me da say Tabita Ayla and Atene Kano. Na Hajia Sadatu Al Hassan. NDC communication team member. Hajia. Mate. That's the saying.
Obadi adarma.
Now green so
say. Eno na ubisa Tabita ya say. What you see me? Then the answer cannot free. NDC outside the papa na machine. I jinkwa. Na Tabita Ekasano, I think in the year 2016. Or see Mahmoud Bawumia at the bold solution. Ya try solutions of Nanado. Solution in your Bawumia slogan. Na ye Nanado slogan. In 2016 say or bring a solution to Ghana's problem. And we don't want the bold of that reckless solution. We don't want the bold of that incompetent solution. We don't want Ghanaians don't want Ghana for sa solution in BM because I and my father are one.
Ayo.
John Dramani Mahama Ebery seti the economy na ya sen or very seti Ghana's dreams and ambition, or he's bringing back hope to the youth of this country. He's bringing back hope to that nurses at the Biauko airport. Amupekwan efri o mine esan amamu boni. And so His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, he has been blessed with the aids to break that aids of Nanado and Baumia.
But I say, I'm fine. Come body chassis. Mama fiti o tabita ho. Galamsey kunya mashasi. Bejidi se video sa yenya ya share ni de yeti mu se mo so manya bi. Mo party for na adwala se mashimo machines. Enti omo be ye campaign tia MPP. No masanso to atia mo. Anamo amatu ede asafo eko Galamsey site. Any the resource mo hu ne saying e be affect mo.
Oh, mame we de mame nchia etiefo nyina na menka se mwateni ya ni free bolga tanga. Na tree no so America no a Bulgar inspired tree.
Okay.
Enti se mekane ebia anto asumuyi a monfa ncheme na kasa ne de enya me ankasa me kasa na ade amasua.
Okay.
Thank you. That being said no, de mekane se Galamsey ya ye ka ho asemuyi. I've said this on several platforms. Say ye be shene critically ya. Enye MPP fo nkoa ene ye de nsebio omo ye Galamsey NDC fo nso eye bi. The bottom line is say eye Ghana fo na ye de eye mining no, that's the bottom line. And ye na we are aware ye nim say omo de say ye nsuo. There is a way to mine na eye responsible. And I think another thing I was say institutions no omonya said they should strengthen them to teach the people responsible mining. I think all these things will put to rest sa pollution hane machines for na omoye no. Na semba ku pe na meme wo edeka. The miners. I want to plead with them. Say they should put Ghana first. Yenim pa say without Galamsey, some of them cannot feed. In fact, me wo your friends in video be na small boy o. Or say someone pamye. Ya kofie. Afi de beba begina kwan no na ya gigi musika. Na ya tumutu agigi musika. Na ya repu mu like and someone na kra na kan. Na nye.
Wa be pacho so wan kan yi.
Yes. Like menya we this is what we have heard. What about the ones omomba abontene embe kasae ema yehu ade a ewo mutim. And also another thing I was say yenhwe ne ye. Entina Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia says so ono bedane president. He is not going to ban community mining. What he is going to do is that he's going to ensure say nkrofo ebeye responsible mining. Sa gold catcher machine no ye na ye ni mu say no de wo de ye gold na enye mercury yemfa your friends and chemicals bia enka ho enti friendly what you ase enti no omo me pa macho matise o ma hye champagnes no mo ne your friends excavators and na aso ma chichi ebinum krampo amma mahu video bi kra ma papa bi kasa etia party no wenye party asem ye pa macho enye party asem Ghana ene ye ka ho asem eye ya pomudin ti ne ye ka ho asem no ye da chinti ne ye ka ho asem no enti na meka asem bi me se there's a reporter actually say because of Galamsey enti MPP ye suffer during 2020 elections enti no say ye be use that thing to vote against the MPP. But you say enya depa.
It was history be repeating in 2020.
This time around history there repeating in education. And it was a young for my encrofo. Ye mo montia say ye da chinti. Enti na meka say ade we buy na NDC omon kan wo bi. Omon kan ho asem omo ye di na say government ne nkwan ne MPP and e suffer. But is that the case? Is that how it should be? Senyamin pengu, God forbid. And even perish that thought to say, you lose election here. still galamsey will be staring at the NDC in the face. What are they going to do? Ain't na say yemfa party nsemono ntonchen na yen solve galamsey issue ni sesia said ye be ya that be asemunti no because reports wo videos wo friends say may God continue to rest his soul. Dr. Professor Evans Mills galamsey ho asemo say in fact galamsey no agye nsem sesi akrampo de onu onhu de omobeye na wo hwe history krampo na excavators ayede ye galamsey nyina no starte under NDC omantumi anso ano
na mo aso baye so di be
de ye betumi aso ano ni nyina ya ma police fo akoho ya ma soldier fo akoho ya chichi bi ya ye de ni nyina ye ni nyina nso still ye hu ama ebinumu kra omope presidency edi akwa abontene so akwa ka kire nkrofo se he mo de mungusu ana monye na meme motoma me na meweni a meba ba gigi mu afri sales na omode omachichi mu akwa kwahye mu no na se NPP for epeniye na NDC for take advantage to say your friend say Mahamud your friend say ex-president Mahama e ka kire nkrofo se mema mu amnesty to say your friend is saying omo former your friend is saying omo communications director me refinity ono so obi say obi
Kofi Boahen asemana
Kofi Boahen no nyina kwaku omo nyina you have seen videos ye ka say omo njai no omo de omo ka kire nkrofo ne say mo de mo nkoso ana monye enti say ye be chichire o man ne chichire ni say ya eye me so asamba ko na me pese me nka media fo no you shouldn't be quiet on the disservice NDC for air in the fight against galamsey. Don't be quiet. Because next 4 years, this will be the same campaign cheaper. NPP for on yusu. But that shouldn't be the issue. Let's kill the thing now. Said nobody uses galamsey.
Natene kano sadatu mamentio.
Me say Tebita enim. Say mu and I'm starting the fight of galamsey in this country. And for that me salute media houses. Me salute journalists. Mudi muhu eji galamsey kun enanka MPP for eye dinya. Nka yambedu pempen so ayewono. Ye bedru pempen so we say nanado say ye obi anja ma me ametimi akomade. I have put in my presidency on the line. Munja mame me ameku, it is on my heart. I will fight it. At the end of Frimpong Boate report ekai. How long end of Frimpong Boate report eda nanado table so awanya ho hwe. Sa papa na ono aka say I will fight galamsey with my presidency. Table on setting the committee with a man like Professor Frimpong Boate and a brand report say pay. Musi NDC for na ye aye. But MPP for Juma nafa. Report in the bed nanado table so edi in fear him and sana Ghana for 8 in a den nanado air found. Then quickly you start talking about up till now, after good 8 years of governance, MPP lamenti about NDC of their failure ninano NDC dina omobo. Okasa upisa no question bi wentimi yano. O say NDC for and excavators NDC for upisa ni say omo so omo ba na omo de be kan she couldn't answer. Nanu ya galamsey asem beye din report e baye MPP for DCs former ministers former chief of government din kwa negum na maya fa say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama akase say ye ba ye bema omo demo amnesty. Of course no mo demo no mo ye galamsey kin pics no. Mo ministers Kate Jenfu ya shishi excavators ni excavators ya hinwo.
Basike Jenfu onye galamsey yana.
Ya shishi excavators na ni di enka ho. One belamenti of an excavators ayahye no. Sesi ayeka ho asem meet ye the na soldier Nina or my report and they say the all can say they are binding both the legal and illegal. And I'm a
depending on baby,
depending on baby, it's baby. I like a gem for excavators. Now it was the right place in your channel. Or your legal minor, young funny sir. Baby, I know dano. A your right place and care channel. There be some me sir. A your right place, sir, and care channel.
Mate. Now,
the American say, when we are fighting galamsey, na say de bia MPP for the omadwani say, omo de oboni ni omo hu da. Enti no, ya campaign NDC for the year campaign NDC. The question I asked Andra on another station, they say, Emre anamu even Nelson mu eye doom so vigil no. Na MPP for na share omo kutupa. Ya fighting galamsey. And the na yesre aban ni say one ye ni say. In Suona Musi in 2016 I said, and I say times million of it. And yesre mu say, oh dear bandits. Mamika bibi chow COVID by now man from person betting a few. But by the words of the president, Obi na no can once say Obi shed them for 1 week. Now you need time cry be a quiet beba. Obi ko shed them. And so it will take a single word. Say Nanado Beka say Obi free sites and so openly officially. Na fe dia usuma asrafo so omo nkokon a de ombetimi akon. Na dia wo nguna so kunkuna so anasa muka ni se wo twi mu a wo ye ase ni sen.
Okay. But
Ghanaians wo ye over ahi during COVID no wentimi anya baako over galamsey. Wo ya and I can say asrafo no mukoye. Do you know how many miners I ever from Akacha mo say munfiri na omo ba? Do you know? Be bold in whatever you do. Ghana for ejiwudi no mutu abama. We see you can bring back economy, but you cannot bring back life. Now, as we speak, Ghanaians' life is at stake. Others life need a win here. At the COVID time, no, not because international community you are quick in announcing so bianco shedemu. No mom galamsey the any dear unya shimfimu because unkofa na ye this can bro. And then I can say, Nancy about me at the campaign platform so I was Ashanti region. And I one of the campaign members, Ejina Oka say, Yen Jai Galamsey, Nen Jai Galamsey or China.
Mustafa Gbande the video no security. Yes. Meba say party B sorry or fighting galamsey. At this point, how many days to the general election? Na flag bearer edema mo party NDC. Ojina bebia or kasa efa galamsey who seem to a deba any se o de beba abe fight sade ni nyina. Na wonya a deputy secretary for NDC. Now we nam campaign grounds. Now we a different thing from the flag bearer ejina platform kese so waka. Is it the best? In the fight of galamsey, I condemn every reckless speech from all the political parties, irrespective so we NDC and now MPP. I condemn it because by virtue of galamsey, nkola omuni musheni ya wo omuni ni omuni nine. It's I'm starting with. Yes, he who comes with a equity table must come with a cleaner. It's not some campaign. Different.
That is very wrong. It's MPP before says, "Say most galamsey and NDC for now. We will not defend them."
Into Mustafa statement, no kind.
I condemn it. Just as I am condemning the original Baumia campaign platform, so Eka say Njai Galamsey, Njai Galamsey Ochina. Just as I am condemning KJ4 statement, or say, let's talk about Galamsey issue after elections. I condemn Nina because Yeka Galamsey Wasema, we are talking about water, and water is life.
Okay.
And it is very important, say, we protect. Look, there is one thing, now we owe the next generation a greater Ghana than what we have now. Until we all have a responsibility. Mustafa Gbande, I am telling you openly. Say I condemn such statements because I know would you win election, and I know here, and he said we are looking for a solution. Okay. But as I am condemning it, I was say nyina ye kan hu say enya wo party ni nti no wo be kata so na the party fufro dia waka na ye kan wie no ne aka say when we say ye be ye say ye nya ni sa aden how many days in ye start say ye eka hu protesters you call ya chiomo. What we are saying is the president should be bold enough. Or Sika from international communities with both left, right, center because you were COVID. He should be that bold enough to issue at least a State of Nation address on galamsey because we be able to any time. And when we start Parliament, I
5 minutes. Second topic.
I agree, say, galamsey, but the water is worse during NDC time than MPP. When you disgrace.
Mate, on galamsey, some no say nanke was organized labor no eco strike no more.